Telegram downloads stuck on your iPhone, photos, videos, or files won't finish loading? Don't worry, I'll show you the easiest ways to fix it. Let's get started. Before starting, make sure your internet is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see which one works better. Slow or unstable internet is the most common reason for stuck downloads. Solution 1. Disable low data mode. Open iPhone settings. Now tap Wi-Fi, then select your connected network. Make sure low data mode is turned off. Low data mode can pause or limit Telegram downloads. Solution 2. Allow background app refresh. Open settings on your iPhone, then tap General, scroll down, and tap Background App Refresh. Make it Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also, ensure Telegram is toggled on. This helps Telegram continue downloads properly. Solution 3. Clear Telegram cache. If you still face the issue, then it perhaps caused corrupted caches. Open Telegram on your device and go to Settings at the bottom right. Then tap on Data and Storage. Now tap on Storage Usage and tap Clear Entire Cache. After that, confirm it, then check again if it works. Your Telegram downloads should work fine now. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.